Hey, the video's back. It's Josh. 1 o'clock in the morning. It's a school night. But we don't care.
Fuck school. It's the devil. And so is Homer.
I agree. Where are you going? Where are you going?
I'm gonna wake up with some... my back is gonna be like an S tomorrow morning.
Cool. Here, fuck shit up. Get your shit. We're going in my room.
We're already in your room.
I know. I was just quoting from Step Brothers. It's my favorite movie.
I like that part where he shows his ball sack.
Don't be gay.
And rubs it on his drum set.
That's pretty funny.
The most of the ball sack part's what gets me. Okay, so all you YouTubers who watch this video, oh god, leave a comment on your opinion on the book To Rape a Mockingbird. It's actually called To Kill a Mockingbird.
Show the cover.
Oh.
This is it. Right here. I'll put a sideways view. So we get full view picture. I'll go like this. It's by Harper Lee.
That has to be like the
the
gayest author on the face of this planet for even making a book about a girl who goes to school. That's what it's about. Right, people don't write it.
Sounds fucking gay. Josh's teacher's gay.
My socks don't smell.
His socks don't smell.
I've been wearing them all day.
He's worn them all day.
Actually, they smell a bit.
They smell a little bit.
Trevor, sometimes I want to wrap my penis in the curls in your hair.
Josh, sometimes I want to put your cock around my socks.
Dude, why are you being gay?
That meant to be the other way around. Cocking with his socks.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie.
Okay. So it's 1:04 in the morning. It's weird.
Guys, look at my really cool bag.
Hardcore. We're hardcore. We're hardcore. This is nice. Look at this backpack here. It's nice. It's nice. It's very nice. Look, I'm zooming in and out. Whee! Zoom in and out. Whee! I'm zooming in and out. Wait a second. Can I make this dark? No, I can't. I can't make it dark. I can't make it dark. Whoa! That's a nice pose you got going there. Ew. Like some of that in my butt.
Okay.
Paul D.
Wait, did I say in our first part that I had 10 assignments today?
Yeah.
I had 10 homework assignments today. On top of rowing. And I had about, I've been doing homework since, actually I skipped rowing. Because I have so much. I've been doing homework since
Mitchell wasn't even going.
about 3:30 till now. I just threw down To Rape a Mockingbird because I got sick of it and I wasn't done with it yet. Boring crap.
So vanilla Visa card. Get it.
You make
It's a
me
gift.
copy. Trevor, can you make me a bookmark of that?
Yeah. I can.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You're a very kind person.
You can actually have this. On it.
Are you serious?
I can't put more money, any more money on it.
You don't want it as a bookmark or
I have another one up there.
something to throw? Sweet.
I got one of them for Christmas for my grandma and another one for my birthday.
Go buy some gumballs.
Yeah. But
No,
gumball machines don't have slots.
I can go swipe people's buttholes with this.
You can open doors with them. Fuck yeah.
Or I could be like, hey babe, wanna go out and get some dinner? I got a credit card.
And then, dude, that wouldn't work because it doesn't have any money on it.
No, but they don't know that.
But then how are you gonna pay?
Cash. You just don't let them see your cash. You like hide it. You fold it up behind your credit card, and you like secretly slide it across the back of your credit card like with 2 fingers, like that.
That's pretty smart.
To the person that, okay, thanks, I won't tell your girlfriend. I'll be like, you're awesome, man. I'm coming back to you here again.
What if they do tell your girlfriend?
You get another one, because you got this. And you keep doing it until it works. I mean, I'm not a man whore or anything, it's just creative thinking here.
It is pretty creative. I would have to say.
Dude, Trevor.
Huh?
Do you have a fetish?
Yeah.
What's yours?
Wait, I need a fart.
Okay, what's your fetish?
My fetish is blonde girls and tan girls. I have two.
Oh my neck. Let's see. My fetish, is tall girls. I like girls that are taller than me, because I figured out, the doctor was like, okay, so when you're done growing, you're gonna be about 5'6", 5'8". So I was like, fuck it. Every girl's gonna be taller than me. So I was like, dang, that'd be pretty cool to like tall girls. So, I like it.
He moved his hands.
But yeah, I'm like 5'5" right now. Trevor, how tall are you?
6'2". Well, you're 5 foot.
No, I'm not 5 foot. I'm like 5'7" or something.
Get owned.
Dude. I tackled you.
Oh, what?
Remember that?
No.
Where you everyone was like, you can't beat up Trevor, and I was like, yeah, and then I ran and got pissed because everyone was like giving me shit that I couldn't beat you up, and so finally that one day when I was sleeping over at Jesse's house on the couch, someone threw a crayon and hit me in the eye while I was sleeping, and I got up and ran over to Trevor.
Something happened. You were playing piano, and Mitchell pegged you in the back of the head with a crayon.
Oh yeah.
You weren't sleeping.
Sorry. But I ran over and tackled Trevor.
You mixed up 2 different times.
I still tackled you.
You pushed me into the couch.
I tackled you over top of the couch. And I beat your head into the floor. Then I beat his head into the floor, and 3 years later, we're like brothers.
Yeah. Butt buddies.
Pretty much.
I like that. 2 minutes.
Alright, YouTube, if you think we're, being boring. Yeah. And we're getting pretty fucking tired right now, so
I wanna die.
we're gonna cut this off. So we'll see you some other time.
Fuck.